Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Sony MHC-V82D high-powered Bluetooth party speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons basically. The first one is troubleshooting. If your speaker's not working right for any kind of reason, if it's not connecting or pairing with the other speakers, or if the sound is off, it's not in sync, or if it's not connecting or pairing with Bluetooth or with your devices at all. A hard reset can fix a lot of these issues if it's not responding, stuff like that. Now you're going to need to set it up again, and that's the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you just want to get this speaker back to the way it was when it came out of the box, wiping all the Bluetooth pairing history off of it, all the settings, everything like that, we can go ahead and do that real easily. All we're going to do, first things first, is we're just going to turn it off, unplug it, wait a couple seconds, plug it back in, turn it back on. And once you do that, and it's back on, you're going to come and you're going to find the guitar button over on the right and the mega bass button over on the left, and press and hold those two buttons for about 3 seconds until you see it go into its reset mode, at which point you can release the two buttons, allow it to finish its process, go ahead and turn it back on, and then set it up as a new device.